So your boy Cree just got home. Medyo napatagal ako sa New Year celebration ko. Pero here we go. Let's kick things off and make 2024 strong with the Board Grooming Co. The Flame. So let's start with the bottle. The bottle looks so sleek. Mukha siyang Tom Ford, especially with that sticker. Gusto nga lang may napansin ako. Mukha siyang bottle ng Treasure Sense pero black. I don't know what's with black, but when it comes to black bottles, it looks amazing. Similar to Loves. But yeah, that's only for the bottle. Okay, so from the name itself, you're expecting Eros Flame since it's La Flame. Diba nga? I mean, I guess that's already common sense, pero, you know what, let's test it already. Isang spray lang since, okay na siguro yun. Right from the start, it smells like orange and lemon with a hint of pepper. So by the way, it is a fresh, spicy, citrusy, and kinda aromatic. And powdery as well. Anyways, ginamit ko to nung New Year and so far, it's actually good. Ang tagal niya sa akin nung ginamit ko siya. It lasted around 6 to 7 hours. And considering na nasa misa ako noon, medyo maraming tao, and ang init. Like, what the heck? Yun nga, this one is so amazing. The scent is so good. Hindi siya ganun kalapit sa OG na Eros Flame, pero as a scent itself, it's super, super good. Considering na, you know, it's just inspired, pero the Board Grooming Co. creates their own blend of, you know, fragrances. So, yeah, yun lang. That's a little background about the Board Grooming Co. So yeah, final words about the scent. La Flame is a more mature version of Eros for me. I mean, Eros Flame, sorry, rather. But yeah, all I can say, this is more mature because it's more woody compared to the Eros Flame and hindi siya ganun ka-sweet tulad ng in-expect mo sa isang Eros Flame. Yes, it is a fruity, citrusy, but instead of being a sweeter version, for me, it is more woodier. So, mas mature siyang isuot. So, mas okay siyang isuot sa mga formal events and not just for daily, but just, yeah, as I said, for formal events. Anyways, for the performance, it lasts around 6 to 7 hours. As I said, considering na nasa misa ako, nagkasuot ako ng polo, and, you know, medyo mainit ang prime na yon. So, expect mo na mawawala siya ng mabilis. So far, hindi siya nawala ng mabilis tulad ng in-expect ko, and it lived up to the expectation. So, for the projection, all I can say, hindi siya ganun ka-loud tulad ng parang pagpasok mo sa room, maamoy ka agad nila. Hindi ganun. It's above average na tipo ng parang pag lumapit sa yung isang tao is maamoy ka agad nila. Ganun lang yung projection niya. Which is already good considering na ang tagal din niya sa akin, around 4 to 5 hours ko ata siya suot. And then, nasabihan pa rin ako na, uy, ano yung pabango mo, ba't ka nag-spray ulit? So, you know, all I can say, yung projection niya is already above average, so it's already good. So, how many sprays do I recommend you to do when you're losing the flame? Siguro for me, it's 5 to 7. 5 if you wanna go, you know, normal wear. 7 if gusto mong mas patagal siya and gusto mong mas papansin ng mga tao sa paligid mo. So, price reveal, it is 700 to 900 pesos, depende sa sale. So, the question is it worth to buy it? For me, I can say is no. If you're the kind of person na ang budget mo lang is 200 to 400 fragrance and ang kaya mo lang talagang i-afford is yung mga inspired. But it is very worth it if pag-iipunan mo siya and gusto mo lang talaga ng different approach ni Eros Flame, and if you really like the Eros Flame DNA.